A lot of us are using Zoom for a lot of reasons right now. To connect with friends and family, for our work, and a lot of people I've talked to, we're sort of like dragged into it kicking and screaming. Zoom fatigue, the Google searches for that just shot up. So what's the problem? Well, Zoom can be frustrating to use if you haven't taken the time to learn it. I can't figure out how to get people to talk to each other. They talk over each other. I have created a course called Using Zoom Effectively that will teach you everything you need to know about how to get the most out of Zoom. Take what you used to do in person and put it on Zoom, because the truth is, Zoom allows you to work with anyone, anywhere, from anywhere. If you ask me, that's a pretty incredible opportunity. So, do yourself a favor. You haven't launched the course yet, but the waiting list is open, and I want to offer you, because you're watching this, a chance to get access to a price that we will offer at no other time because it's too low. Videos and some PDFs, and become part of a cohort where you have Q&A with me. You'll experience Zoom meetings that I facilitate, and we'll walk through exactly how this works. Join the waiting list today and get access to exclusive pricing once we launch. That pricing will not be available ever again. Be equipped with everything you could possibly need to know to use Zoom effectively.